Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to auto download photos in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to auto download photos in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And on this interface guys, after opening your Telegram app, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon, and on this interface you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. So let's tap on settings. And from over here guys, in order to auto download your photos in your Telegram, you can see the data and storage option available for us under the category of settings just below the notification and sounds guys. Tap on data and storage, and over here guys you can see there are options where it says the automatic media download, and here it says the when using mobile data, and when connected to Wi-Fi, and when roaming. Now in order to proceed to auto download your photos in Telegram, first choose a service through which you want to auto download your photos in Telegram. If you want to auto download your photos in Telegram through mobile data or Wi-Fi or while roaming, you can turn on this toggle icon at the right side. For all of them you can see you can turn them on, but if you want just a particular service from which you want to auto download your photos in Telegram, for example I just want to auto download the photos from in the Telegram chat from my Wi-Fi, so I'll be turning off when using mobile data and when roaming. So let's turn them off by tapping on the toggle icon, and after doing that you can tap on the when connected to Wi-Fi like this, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is the types of media option available for us, where it is the photos, videos, files and storage. Now in order to auto download photos in your Telegram guys, make sure this toggle icon at the right side of the photos is turned on, and then your photos in Telegram chats will be auto downloaded on your phone. So if you want to customize more settings on the photo section, tap on photos, and this kind of interface will appear from where you can or you will be able to auto download in photos from your Telegram, from your contacts, private chats or group chats and your channel. And with that being said guys, after turning on the toggle icon in the photos over a service over here, you will start to auto download photos in Telegram. You can choose to do similar from the mobile data as well as roaming. If you tap on it, similar kind of interface will appear. If it's turned on, you can turn on the photo section over here, and by customizing these things guys, you will start to auto download photos in Telegram to your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how to auto download photos in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.